Happy Monday, Langston third graders. Miss McKinney will be doing your word study videos this week since Miss Holder and I and Miss Short are all taking turns. So before I get started on this week's skill, we are going to review a little bit of our word study from last week. Last week we talked about the long U pattern and accented syllables. So we're going to work through a few of those. If you have a piece of notebook paper handy and a pencil, I would suggest that you get that and practice writing these words with me. A dry erase board would work. Anything that you can write on would work and be helpful. So just to review and make sure that you understood last week, we've been doing this same type of skill with different long vowel patterns for a few weeks, but I know it's been a while since we've been in the classroom. So it may take us a little bit longer to get back in the hang of things, and that's okay. So we're going to go ahead and review a few of these words. The first word we're going to review, I'm going to write it on my board, is pupil. And if you remember, we have that special little trick that we're going to do to decide where that syllable break is. If you want to put your hand under your chin and say the word pupil, you can hear that our syllable break is between this U and this P. So this first syllable is an open U syllable, pupil, pupil. The accented U is in the first syllable, and it's an open U syllable. So let's look at another word. I lost my eraser, just a second. Our next word is going to be useful. Useful. I'm going to write it. I want you to write it, useful. And then I want you to say it. Put your hand under your chin and say useful, useful. Okay, so we have that syllable break after use, useful, useful. This is going to be a U consonant E syllable pattern. So we're going to say U, big C for consonant E, U consonant E, and useful. We hear that long U in the first syllable. I know there's a U in this syllable, but that's not a long U, okay? So when we're asking you to sort your words according to where that syllable is accented, you need to listen. Is that U a long U or a short U? Don't let these type of words trick you. Useful. You hear that U in the first syllable. This is a short U, okay? So make sure you remember that.